Viva Majoro, viva! Viva! Mia, here for the Burgermeister, the memorandum, and the clerk some discussing for Kosi Sigele. Speaker, opportunity ena ya pele ke re ho lona ke kopa hore le skebe la re kine ke lenyatsa. We made an appointment wa hore ka je go lena ho tla bo machiwa, but unfortunately because le hloka ditshebeletso le hloka ra tlameha re bane le kopano le rona eo le ne le ka ho yo empa ke entse hona ho matleng a rona go bona hore le more important than anything ne re tlogetse kopano ra tla me ke ne ke batla ho le bolella fela hore ha se ho bane ke le undermine empa e ba mosebetsi o mongata nogtans wil ek nog bietjie baie dankie sê vir julle om hierdie werk te doen. Dis nie maklik nie, maar ek waardeer dit. Elke persoon wat hier is, ek sê nogtans baie dankie. Dit moet nie die eerste wees en die laaste, maar elke dag as daar enige ding is, moet ons een nasie wees en probeer ons goed as best te doen. Ek vra vir u, ek waardeer dit. Dit mag nie die enigste een wees. En aan die antwoord wat julle wil hê, gaan julle dit kry enige tyd as julle wil hê, gaan julle dit so in ons kantoor kry. En enige persoon wat enige ding wil hê of wil hoor, dan is die kantoor oop en hulle kan maar gerus kom. Ek sê nogtans baie dankie vir almal. Saluta. Viva Dada Makhali, viva! Viva! Viva Maspikara, viva! Viva! Happy Sarna South Africa, Baya Daiji. High civic agent, that would need that fund of this. Answers build the uptown too, answers al the exam. The mayor that Moika Safar, Nipan net. Answers will not eat the project of say, and as that net the committee fund mix up. As many ambitious for the Bedminster, and for us like base. The mayor would come some of the speaker, and as the influence. Yes! Majora will plan.
Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, ek gaan nou die petisie oorhandig wat julle geteken het. Ons het meer as 1877, more than 2000 signatures of people in Bultfontein standing up against women and child abuse and against violence and abuse. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for standing with me, and I think we can make a change. It's time now. Enough is enough. I'm going to hand over the petitions to the mayor. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Amanda! And I just saw the next time, I'm sure we'll come at the kids,